You probably know what's gonna happen. Hello everybody and welcome to another video. Today what we're gonna be doing is pushing this truck down a hill. Steep, right? That's what's gonna make it so fun. So today, like I said, we're gonna push a truck down a hill. I'll meet you guys in a sec as soon as I get this thing going. 3, 2, 1, go! Something's gonna happen. For the first try, it's not too bad. Move on to the next one. Okay, we have seen this thing crashed 6 times, but it is missing something. A little bit of person to run the truck. We'll just put him right here, Curious George. But if you don't want to see Curious George getting absolutely nailed, then just don't watch the rest of the video. Okay? See you at the wreck. Upside down. Oh! It is sticking out the truck. I'm going to thank you all who was watching this video. To help out this channel, leave a like and subscribe. I'll catch you in the next episode. Bye-bye. Bruh.